Welcome, this is the Hydroponic Day 30/31 update. Um, Not a whole lot of important stuff, just that CO2 regulator. It's actually working now, so that's fun. But, on our next batch, we're going to try out different lighting conditions. That'll be our initial test, and then after that, we're going on to CO2 ppm. So, one more series, and then we get to test out that regulator. But that's not what you came for. You came for this update. So let's go check it out. Lots of humidity. That one plant is just kind of toppling, which kind of sucks, but whatever. I'll just move it back every day. And as far as everything goes, CO2 ppm is running at 550, 73% humidity, and 22 degrees Celsius. So let's graph that, and then let's open it up and check it out. Well, there's a lot of green in here, I can tell you that. Although this is a problem. This needs to stay on its side of the tank. And it is not wanting to do that. However, that's just too bad, because I am persistent. As far as, this is everything up here. Sorry, kind of got sidetracked. We have some kind of interesting stuff happening on the Buttercrunch, but as far as the Romaine goes, everything is looking great, so that's pretty cool. And then below tank, everything looks really good too, super healthy roots, and the water level's basically the same as when we filled it, and that's due to the high humidity. Healthy roots on both tanks. Anyway, let's check out our ppm, pH, and EC. Looks like our pH up worked pretty well. We're running at 7.26 for the pH. I'm going to let that stay because I think it's going to go down. Anyways, let's graph that and let's look at the other measurements. ppm of 940, EC of 1880, and temperature of 22.6 degrees. Anyways, on to the left tank. pH is running at 7.26, and let's check ppm and EC. ppm and EC are running at 986 for ppm, 1972 for EC, and temperature of 22.4. So let's check out our graphs. Kind of some interesting stuff. So we've got the right tank, which EC went up. So that's kind of interesting, probably in correlation to that water drop. pH rose, probably correlation to that as well. Temperature dropped, which probably plays a slight role. And then the CO2 ppm rose, and the humidity rose, which is good. All that's the same over here. And then our EC rocketed even further on this tank, and the pH was the same, and the ppm was about the same too. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed.